how to generate more revenue immediately with paid ads. In this video, I will introduce you to the low-hanging fruits campaign. I will go through all the steps which are required to reach this goal here. And it's totally possible to generate more revenue directly with paid ads, because people think, yeah, you have to wait a long time, the algorithm has to work, the pixel has to get some data, all that kind of stuff. But actually there's a way with this kind of campaign, I call it the low-hanging fruits campaign, to generate more revenue immediately. Like really, you start a campaign and you will directly get more revenue. So let's dive into it. First of all, we have to check for the status quo, because there's one thing which is required before you can start with the low-hanging fruits campaign, and it's organic content. So if you don't have any social media profile with organic content and you don't have any followers, you can't use this method. But if you have some organic content and you're doing, maybe for years you're producing organic content on social media, then this is the perfect campaign for you. First of all, we will talk about the target group. And you have to have a precise avatar, and you have to know the needs, the wishes and the problems of your target group very good, so the people will feel understood. And then you have to address these people directly. So you have to directly talk to your target audience. This is very important step, and it's required for the campaign to work perfectly. Then we have the part of content. So you should be making very authentic videos, filmed most of the time by yourself, can be filmed by somebody else, but yeah, the important part is that the videos are authentic, and you have to add a large amount of value to the people. So you have to have content which is very educational and value providing. And of course, very important, you have to share your own experiences, because if you share your own experiences, you can build trust within your target group, and people are more likely to buy something later from you. And then the last part here for the content is interaction. So you have to reply to all of your comments, you have to reply to all of your messages to get some accessibility within your target group. People can reach you, you are one of them, kind of. And yeah, these are the important steps you have to do first before you start with the low-hanging fruits campaign. And then you should already have some offers, and this can be some consulting, it can be workshops, it can basically be any kind of service, it can be coaching, whatever. What are you selling right now? And these four points, they are necessary for the low-hanging fruits campaign to work. Yes, and to just understand it, I have here the marketing funnel, a picture of it. I think everybody has seen it before. And right now, the people we want to address with the low-hanging fruits campaign, they are kind of here or here. They are not in the awareness stage. And I will tell you now why. We want to address people that already know you, that are your followers, that consume your content, and they already have a kind of relationship with you. So they are in the phase of consideration or in the phase of conversion, or right before to do a conversion, I would say. So the people, it's a very warm audience, and that's why you can directly make revenue from it. Yes, that's the point I want to make here. And now I'm talking about how the campaign is structured, because it's a kind of boost of the success concept. And the success concept in this case is your organic content. and I think it should be working very well, your organic content. And then you're doing the following. Now for this campaign with paid ads, your target group will look like this. You will use followers of your Instagram account or Facebook account, whatever. So just your followers. You will use your interactions with your social media account. You will use the videos that have been watched by people. You use your website visitors, and you use your email list. So basically everywhere you have data and you know people that already interacted with you, this is your target group for the campaign. So basically it's a kind of retargeting campaign. Yes. Then, with the content, we will stay kind of the same. So you just do the same authentic videos that you do with organic content. Don't produce any crazy produced advertisement spots, which are look super high quality and stuff like that. You have to be authentic, because otherwise it will not work and people will not trust you. Then you have to reference to further added value through your offers. So what do I mean with that? You have to say, okay, if somebody is buying your consultation, your workshop, or your service, coaching, whatever, they will get much, much more value than from your organic content. So you should mention in the ads, if people like your organic content and want to go deeper into the topic and want to transform and learn some stuff, they have to go to your offers. Then as well, you have to share your own experiences within the offer. What do I mean with that? You can talk about people who have bought your offers and talk about the results they made with your offers, and just your experiences with people who made your offers. Here you can also use a testimonial video of somebody else. Works also very good. And then for the interaction part, it's the same as before. You should as well reply to every comment and to all the messages you will get to show that accessibility. And basically that's the campaign structure of the low-hanging fruits campaign, and that's because of the name. These target group, these are the low-hanging fruits. This is the fundament. These are the people that are already there, the people that already know you. So here it's super easy to get a conversion here with these people. Yes. Now, how does it work on Facebook? Because maybe you are already running some paid ads, but maybe you are targeting cold audiences. Could be possible. And therefore I will go now into the Facebook Business Manager, and it looks like this. So if you go to all tools, you have to pick target groups. It's in German right now, but in English it's called target groups. And here you have to go to the custom audiences. I think you have heard before. And now you have to get all your data that you already have into a custom audience. So you have to get your website visitors that maybe visited a special page of your website, for example, your offers page where you have the offers, or some landing page. You can put in your email list or your customers list or potential customers list, kind of that. Yes. Then you have to get your video viewers, so people, for example, who watched 50% or more of your video because they are interested in your content. Then all the people who interacted with your Instagram account and your followers, as well as with Facebook. Just put in as much data as you can get of people who are warm. I recommend not to take an audience which is older than 180 days. I will show you what I mean with that right now. So basically in this window which opened right now, You can type in, if you select your Instagram interactions, you can type in how old they should be, and you can target people which interacted 1 year ago, but they maybe forgot about you. So I think if you go with 180 days, it's still very long time, but yeah, maybe you go for 1 or 2 or 3 months. Depends also on how much people interact with your content. And basically that's the way. And then you build a campaign out of these custom audiences and let the algorithm work. Sorry for that. Yes, basically that's the whole concept. How it works, I've got super good results with that type of campaign, because the people are super warm in that audience, and they are, most of the time the people are just one step away to do a purchase or a conversion, and you just give them the last push to buy something, or to book a call with you, and to discover your offers. Yes, and if you need some help with setting up the low-hanging fruits campaign, in the video description you find a link. There you can book a call with me and I will help you to set up everything. Yeah, and thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.